What's good, bro?
What's his name again?
Josh.
Josh.
What is it?
Cheng Yang or Ya or exactly are you really?
I just like to help out the city. I met you before though, right?
I might have met somebody else that looked like me.
Where do you stay?
Man, nowhere right now.
Oh, you sleep out in the streets?
I don't know what happened to all my homes.
How long have you been homeless?
Since I kind of destroyed my other home.
What'd you say?
I kind of destroyed my other home, man.
Destroyed?
Yup.
What do you mean you destroyed, man?
Man, if I was to show you how I destroyed it, you would not believe me.
How so? Was it crazy?
And you know, you watch it. You see Naruto?
Yeah.
Alright, you see, like, you know what the Sama is, right?
How old are you?
Come on, so I'm the eldest out of everybody alive.
Oldest out of everybody alive? You over 120?
I created fucking the dinosaur world. You know, Asian persuasion, you ever heard of that? Right here, you know what I'm saying?
Are you hungry?
Nah, we're going somewhere else.
I got a pizza if you want.
Yeah, I'll take that shit.
Alright. Yo, check it out.
No, that's good.
What else?
Don't shy, no, the cat out to see Gino, Facebook, YouTube, no. Moonlight Matters in the yellow bus is here. Ooh, dear. Don't shy, no, the cat out to see Gino. It's been a long weekend, you know. Oh, holy shit. Ta cũng cho em share like video yeah thâu mong and like what title I don't know if it's in it looked like it's from the Midwest, probably in Minnesota. Okay, it was funny, okay? Yeah, I know I think he was on drug, you know, he got a lot of mental issue. Okay? And it one drug ain't cơ mà do homeless lên nữa sự. Yeah, I know chị đã đi rồi. Fuck, it's probably like it's been a year since he took a shower. Woo! I hate to be around that person. Jeez. Thought on her neck, she pee okay. All you told him I eat you that day, and I know how mess. Now, let's talk about the homeless people here in America. Okay? Video, it was funny and sad at the same time. Man, we shouldn't have this kind of homelessness at all. Seriously, should not be one at all. Okay? Because I'll tell you why I can never get to that point. Or be like a homeless guy like that. Okay? Which part of me that shit stuck into my mind till today. Yo là cụ bao là cái tốt cho tới chim cả nó cụ cho cái tốt cho tới chim cả nó cái tốt lai sự gì thầu cứ cụ là tới chim bò cho thấy tê gì cụ tôi muốn có bỏ cho nó khai the Mekong River lại. That shit hurt me when I heard that shit. It stuck in my head till this day. That's why I never want to be like that. Otherwise, everything that could see high, y'all could see high now. And I respect those words. It hurt at me at the same time, but it also encouraged me to do better. Mẹ cho tu lo mấy gì chỉ bao đó, okay? Và mấy giờ nè là mấy này mấy chỉ cứ cho mấy tôi tới chỉ bị cả la thì thấy thì chỉ lo tế tôi rồi thấy tế thọ xong xa chỗ trí nữa nè xa chỗ trâu xa chỗ xa chỗ gì nữa. It was brutal. It wasn't easy. You know, the path to freedom wasn't easy like you think it is. You weren't there to see what happened to our people, man. You know, we lost a lot of family, a lot of people in that war. You know, like grandma, no one alive. Because they came afterward, like You know, this is the reason why I never put myself in that situation, because it was to encourage me that yes, our forefather did not bring us to America here to be like this man right here, this homeless guy. Okay? You know, you got to think about that. You know, I know that homeless, it's either they're an alcoholic or a drug addict. One of these two. You know, so like I said, when you become like this guy, okay? That's why he said, I don't know where all my homie is. Yeah, because you're homeless. You stink, you fucking smell. Nobody wants to be around your ass, man. You know, you supposed to more, you know, you totally no day. You'll never change your fucking life. You supposed to more, you lunge more, yeah. You supposed to that you not, you see, you pull you yo. Cho you think you what is the cost and price for it? The least you can pay them back is to do better. Alright? Rồi bây giờ tôi chơi vào main nè. Rồi you totally nó chơi. You need to trade places for one of those people in Laos that really, really wants to come here and go to school and do all kinds of stuff in their life. Okay? Cho họ ta tụt lấy rồi nó chạy ní chú bao hay tiệt. Nhau lúc tới chơi rong vào main chú bao hay tiệt. He has so much opportunity and he wasted on meth and drugs and alcohol. You know? Chạy tụt lấy rồi nó chạy mê. In that only to know nobody will have no respect for you. Not your father, your mother, your grandparents, your uncle, no one. Alright? So all the kuhana, you saw it there, you took look face, you lunge more chain there, your mong, you chain, you want to look good for your people, your community, then you gotta stop what you're doing. Cũng your cousin, cũng your ba, bọn này mới thâu cho trẻ, thâu na nu hậu yến hậu chua trẻ, thâu cho lại, rồi cho yến chua này trẻ, hậu mẹ trẻ,所以你揾到人咯，trẻ mới nu nó,你chỉ muốn trẻ nhỏ, trẻ你nhớ bên Minnesota, trẻ tạm bộ tại tôn trả tao nè, like under a bridge, a tunnel bridge or something, trẻ ai cũng khó ta lên là xứ, you know, because, like I said, you know, nobody's perfect. Because if you could come back from the dead and change your life, you will be an inspiration to me, to everyone that been through that. Okay? And that's the thing is that, you know, you to bleed your mong spirit. You come back and find yourself. I've been down that road. I found myself. You know, pay a mona. We should not be doing this kind of shit. Alright? You not, you see, you thought you don't go, don't cho you thought you think you be got, and the fucking thing you're gonna be is this, like this guy, they only could see how I should have thrown your motherfucking ass in the Mekong River. And that's about it. Alright, maybe that shit was stuck in your motherfucking head. Alright, you know, Txoj, they gave him a pizza, he was all happy. But hey, being homeless is not easy, alright? You get hungry all the time. You don't need to give him money. Go buy him some food, give it to him. You know? Ý chỉ là ôn trò ta chỉ lấy gì check plus mà cho nhật lên đó nè. Cho nhật lên đó mà they think their life is so good they ain't gotta worry about no bills, nothing. The only thing they gotta worry about is their drug. So don't give them any money. If you want to feed them, just feed those Feed them, that's it. Then you take a munyatra, you lay in Chimu, you banana, on drugs, isn't it? Motherfucker. You're not a Katina K, I love you. More lives matters. In the yellow bus.
Yeah. Yeah.